Stop watching if you're satisfied with spending hundreds on chemical flea treatments. Today, I'm revealing 10 powerful, vet-approved home remedies that cost less than $10 to make. After treating over 1,000 dogs, these remedies have a 95% success rate in eliminating fleas permanently. Ultimate Apple Cider Vinegar Treatment. 1. This is my most powerful remedy that's helped thousands. 2. Mix 2 cups raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. 3. Add 1 cup warm water. 4. 2 tablespoons of neem oil. 5 drops each of lavender essential oil, cedarwood oil, lemongrass oil. 6. Store in a dark spray bottle. 7. Spray twice daily, focusing on behind the ears, under the collar, base of tail, stomach area. 8. Bonus tip, add 1 tablespoon to their water bowl for internal protection. 1. Supercharged Herbal Bath Solution. 1. This kills fleas instantly. 2. Start with 2 cups of fresh herbs, rosemary, ½ cup, peppermint leaves, ½ cup, thyme, ½ cup, citrus peels, ½ cup. 3. Boil in 4 cups water for 30 minutes. 4. Strain and cool. 5. Add 1 cup of Dawn dish soap. 6. 1/4 cup freshly squeezed lemon juice. 7. 2 tablespoons neem oil. 8. Bathe your dog, wet coat thoroughly, apply mixture starting from neck, massage deep into fur, leave for 10 minutes, rinse with warm water. 9. Repeat twice weekly. 1. Diatomaceous Earth Treatment System. 1. Nature's Miracle Powder. 2. Food grade Diatomaceous Earth only. 3. Application process, dust your dog with the powder brush, focus on back, neck and stomach, leave for 24 hours, brush out thoroughly. 4. Home treatment, sprinkle on carpets, dust furniture and bedding, leave for 48 hours, vacuum thoroughly. 5. Yard treatment, spread in dry areas, focus on shady spots, reapply after rain. 1. Advanced Salt and Baking Soda System. 1. This dual action treatment is incredible. 2. Mix equal parts, fine sea salt, baking soda, food grade diatomaceous earth. 3. Indoor application, sprinkle on carpets, apply to furniture, dust pet bedding, wait 72 hours, vacuum completely. 4. Pet application, dust lightly on fur, focus on flea-prone areas, brush out after 24 hours. 1. Ultimate Herbal Powder Mix. 1. My secret weapon recipe. 2. Combine equal parts, dried rosemary, dried wormwood, dried chrysanthemum flowers, dried lavender. 3. Grind to fine powder. 4. Application, dust on pet, sprinkle in bedding, apply to carpet. 5. Reapply weekly. 1. Lemon and spice dip. 1. This spa-like treatment works wonders. 2. Ingredients: 6 fresh lemons, sliced, 3 sprigs rosemary, 2 cinnamon sticks, 6 cups water. 3. Process: boil ingredients, simmer 30 minutes, cool completely, strain liquid. 4. Application: sponge onto dog, focus on problem areas, don't rinse, apply daily. 1. Nematode Yard Treatment System. 1. Complete outdoor protection. 2. Purchase beneficial nematodes. 3. Application steps: water yard thoroughly, apply nematodes with sprayer, focus on shady areas, water again lightly, repeat monthly. 4. Pro tip: apply at dusk or dawn. 1. Eucalyptus Repellent Spray. 1. Powerful Prevention Spray. 2. Mix 2 cups witch hazel, 20 drops eucalyptus oil, 20 drops peppermint oil, 10 drops citronella oil. 3. Application: spray before walks, apply before outdoor time, use daily for prevention. 1. Healing coconut oil treatment. 1. Soothing and effective. 2. Use organic coconut oil. 3. Application. Warm slightly, massage into fur, focus on affected areas, leave for 4 hours, bathe normally. 4. Bonus. Add 1 teaspoon to food daily. 1. Vinegar and salt carpet treatment. 1. Deep cleaning solution. 2. Mix 2 cups white vinegar, 1 cup table salt, 2 cups baking soda. 3. Application. Sprinkle on carpets, leave overnight, vacuum thoroughly. 4. Repeat weekly prevention section. 1. Daily prevention routine. Vacuum all surfaces, wash bedding at 90 degrees Celsius, check with flea comb, maintain yard, use prevention spray, regular grooming. If you want to see these remedies in action, hit subscribe and the notification bell. Drop a comment sharing your experience, and don't forget to download my free natural remedy guide in the description below.